A glimpse at life on Mars. Part 1. The Mars pictures used in this video come from the Citizen Science Project. AI for Mars. This is not pareidolia. NASA just landed Perseverance, which is equipped with equipment to study fossils. It is also equipped to bring Martian life to Earth. So what do they know that you do not? Life that exists on Mars belongs on Mars, not Earth. Life that exists on Earth belongs on Earth, not Mars. The soil on Mars is toxic to humans. Human occupation of Mars would require the complete devastation of Mars' environment. This first example is a fossil as it is embedded in the rock. It is a discarded shield of a head, carapace, and one segment. I tentatively named it Marstropod number 2. This particular fossil is reminiscent of the Earth fossil of sea scorpions, Eurypterids. This next example is a fossil of tallow remains. It was a soft-bodied creature or one that had recently molted, shed, its exoskeleton. In the lower left of the picture is a drill mark from the rover. This next example is an unusually shaped rock. This rock is a fossil because it carries features that are too symmetrical to be just a random rock. As a former pre-press graphic designer, I am proficient in Photoshop. Years ago, I developed a process that allows me to view what I call ghost fossils. The top image is as it is. The bottom image is processed and it gives an unusual insight into how the creature looked when it was alive. I will show more ghost fossils in later videos and discuss it more. Here is another fossil of a tallow or soft-bodied organism. It resembles fossils of Earth's trilobites. After trilobites and other arthropods shed their exoskeleton, the emerging arthropod is tallow. It forms a new exoskeleton by undergoing a process similar to how humans tan leather. There is clearly a head and body. The eyes are symmetrically placed. The blue circle area is either a mouth, anus, or for respiratory. This fossil, if it were from Earth, would be a combination of a fish and an arthropod. This could be Mars' version of an armored fish or a fish-like arthropod. From right to left, blue equals barbel. Red equals eye. Green equals nasal openings. Purple equals internal organs. My process reveals another smaller specimen on top, probably a juvenile. The eye pattern is a match. Highlighted red. This is Marstropod number 1. A fully intact Mars arthropod complete with eyes and legs. Here is a diagram. Send is defined as the ability to perceive or feel things. If one were exploring another planet for signs of life, one of the challenges would be to ascertain a definition of life. Life of Mars exists. Human eyes are meant for Earth. Our beautiful planet, Earth, is full of vibrant colors and foliage to delight and tickle our eyes. When these biological instruments look at the monotones of Mars with a landscape barren of foliage, we are not able to comprehend how and where to even begin to look for signs of life. How would life on Mars be defined? I define it by signs of being sentient. Marstropod number 1 is eerily staring in the direction of the rover that took the picture. To look in the direction of the rover means that this is not a fossil but an extant life form. At first glance, this object appears to resemble a lobster shell from Earth. My next thought was that this isn't a fossil but more likely a recently discarded shell, exoskeleton. Then I saw a pair of eyes that appear black staring in the direction of the rover. This is not a rock, fossil, carcass, or shed shell, this is a living creature of Mars. It is a double stinger sand scorpion. The eyes appear black because they are raised, the black is a shadow. Show anyone is amazing. What if I told you this is a community? Can you see the others? All of the blue highlights are double stinger sand scorpions. Many of them are looking in the direction of the rover. There is also highlighted in green either a legged worm or a metameric creature. The red highlight is a skeleton. There is a small creature highlighted in purple. It is a saucer-shaped crab-like creature that I will show later on.
There are many life forms on Mars. At first I was very excited. Then the realization set in. Humans, we have this beautiful planet that we live on and we don't even take care of it. We know we are killing it, but yet the people and institutions with money, instead of putting money into fixing our world, would rather spend that money on figuring out how humanity can destroy another planet. If we can't fix Earth, then we deserve to die along with it. Now that humans have found a way to Mars, it is no longer the red planet, it is now a dead planet. This video is not only to show you the truth but also to serve as a record of the life that existed on Mars. Before humans. Before they go extinct. We are invading Mars. Humans will destroy Mars.
Thank you for watching my video. There are many different forms of life on Mars that I can't wait to show. More videos will be coming soon.